Dear students, let us continue with topic number first, paper number 6, optical fiber communication. Students, in yesterday's lecture, we studied about optical transmitter, whose role is to launch the maximum optical power into the optical fiber by going through several aspects. That means the signal to be communicated will be converted first into the electrical signal by using suitable transducer. That electrical signal is processed by the processing unit, where if required it is amplified, if necessary it is modulated. Then that is given to the driver circuit that drives optical source like LED or laser diode, whose temperature is being monitored and controlled by using the cooling circuit. The optical source emits the light radiations. As a being, the driver circuit changes its biasing current. The emitted light radiations, after being externally modulated, and if necessary, after attenuating that signal, it is launched into the optical fiber, and then it propagates through the optical fiber due to total internal reflection toward the receiver. Student friends, today we are going to discuss the optical receiver. Students, receiver is a device which is capable to receive the optical energy and convert it into corresponding electrical signal, and it is provided at the destination. As far as optical receiver is being considered, it has to begin with the optical detector, that is a photo detector, especially photodiode. Means its role is to convert the converts the optical light radiation into its corresponding electrical signal. Such a optical receiver is represented in this particular block diagram. Student friends, the block diagram represents the power pulses, that is, the pulses are the light radiations which are coming from the optical fiber. It is connected to the photodetector. It is a photodiode. Maybe it is a pin photodiode, or maybe it is an avalanche photodiode that converts light signal into its electrical signal. The output of the photodiode, it is connected to the amplifier, meaning thereby to amplify the electrical signal which is converted or detected by means of a photodetector to the required level. It may be any integrated circuit which is going to act as an amplifier, or even transistor in a common emitter mode is going to act as an amplifier. So amplified signal, it is processed. Obviously, the parameters are well going to be matched with each other. Especially by using LM386, one can design the amplifier. Then the noise level is reduced from that, and then it is given to the processing circuit. After reducing the noise, the voltage pulses are processed, where the samples are taken, decision is made, and again, if the digital signals are there, the pulses are produced at the output for the purpose of the destination. And if analog signal is there, directly it is given to the destination. Thus, whatever the original physical parameter it is transmitted, same it is going to be obtained at the output of the receiver. In the destination, so converted electrical signal, it is converted into the required parameter by using again suitable transducer. For example, if mic is used as a transducer at the transmitter, here speaker is suitable device that can be used in the receiver as a transducer to convert electrical signal into its original acoustic sound signal. So such a aspect which is represented, which is used in the optical receiver, that does the job of converting optical light radiation coming from the optical fiber into its corresponding electrical signal. After processing, it is given to the destination in the original form. Dear students, a receiver does the task of converting optical energy emerging from the end of fiber into an electrical signal. Then amplify this signal to large enough level so that it can be processed by the receiver. Thus, it consists of photodetector, amplifier, and signal processing circuit that includes the equalizer. The optical signal from the fiber is made to incident on the photodetector like pin photodiode or APD. We studied its details. The photodetector converts this into electrical signal with efficiency eta and capacitor CD. The detector bias resistance is RB that generates thermal noise current IB. So all these are the terminology which are used for the amplifier purpose. Means the efficiency of the converting device is eta. Capacitor CD means as a being photodiode is used in reverse biased. The diode capacitor internally which is generated, it is represented here. The detector bias resistance RB that generates the thermal noise current IB. That is, B is the term related with the base of BZT as an amplifier. So in this aspect, all in the amplifier aspect and filter aspect, all these terminologies are going to get related. The amplifier has an input impedance parallel, which is a parallel combination of RA and CA. The input impedance of amplifier is RA in parallel with the capacitor CA, coupling capacitor. Voltage across these causes current to flow in the amplifier output. The amplifying function is represented by the voltage controlled current source characterized by transconductance Zm. The equalizer circuit filters to avoid the distortions in the signal. It accepts combined frequency response of transmitter, medium and receiver. Combined frequency response transmitter, medium means channel and the receiver, and convert into signal response for processing circuit. Processing circuit is a transducer that converts electrical signal into the physical parameter. So this is the role of a receiver performed in the optical signal communication at the end of optical fiber so as to get the original parameter which is transmitted from the transmitting end. Dear students, that's all about the optical receiver which we are expected to cover. One thing to remember, it is represented a block diagrammatically, but we are well aware with the photodetector like APD or pin photodiode. We also know the amplifier. Maybe it is designed by using any integrated circuit, or it may be designed by using transistor and its corresponding biasing network with the required gain. Then the processing circuit to process the signal with the help of equalizer so as to filter the noise, and also the transducer to convert electrical signal into its corresponding physical parameter. So that's all about the optical receiver. Next time we'll study with how the optical fiber communication is used for the purpose of digital data communication.